Dumelang landlord, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlord, Isandla Pesgwesinye. I'm a bit late with things, but I am here. We are going to do Genesis, the August 2025 teaser. And it goes like this. Friday, the 1st of August, episode 75. Facing the music. A promising gospel star faces the ruins of his reputation, while Felicia scrambles to save Genesis. And the black sheep of the family secretly pursues a chance at stardom. Monday, the 4th of August. Only one condition. The board members turn to Gabriel once again, imploring him to save the day. A melodic invitation from Marona catches Mpumi and Wendy off guard. Msizi deflects Bonko's curiosity regarding his bruises. Tuesday, the 5th of August. It's not what it looks like. A mother goes out of her way to redeem a life of a hopeless singer. A gospel guru not satisfied with the results of his new artist. Bonko jumps to conclusion when he finds two people in the same apartment. Wednesday, the 6th of August. The ship is sinking. Felicia makes a shocking announcement that sends everyone into a total tailspin. There are no boundaries that a sister's love is not able to push. A young star takes a positive step towards getting his life together again. Thursday, the 7th of August. Gift KF the Gabriel. A mother tries to save her child's legacy, but she gets little support from those who are powerful. Marona's act of kindness gets rejected. Nobuhle misses Ishmael and tries to see him. Friday, the 8th of August. Can you sing like Marona? Felicia struggles with unsettled payments. A rising star's self-confidence is damaged. Two families, once destroyed by sexual immorality, finally make peace. Hooray! Monday, the 11th of August. Naile voice. A young repentant woman continues on her journey of redemption. The odds appear to be against a loved matriarch. Will she triumph? Tuesday, the 12th of August. Imitation is the sincerest form of success. Despite the reluctance of many, a fired-up matriarch settles into her new position. Mpumi confronts Gabriel, and Nobuhle daydreams about the day she's reunited with the love of her life. Wednesday, the 13th of August. God is good. Indeed, God is good. Marona's life spirals out of control. Felicia finally catches a break and Mpumi goes out on a high note. Thursday, the 14th of August. Welcome back, Ishmael. Felicia finally reaches a milestone, while Mpumi takes a bold step that could change everything in the Sidibeng household. Gabriel forces Ishmael into a confession that jeopardizes his future. Friday, the 15th of August. The forbidden fruit. A resilient leader takes a bold stand. A butterfly comes out of its cocoon, but its intentions raise questions. A guilt-ridden survivor seeks redemption. Monday, the 18th of August. The end. Wendy goes through fire to save her wealth. Gabriel breaks hearts gently. A very painful chapter comes to an end. Tuesday, the 19th of August. Devil in sheepskin. Among Gabriel's web of lies are hidden truth about to break unsuspecting hearts. Felicia and Marona are caught in the crossfire. Nobuhle finds Ishmael in a questionable state. Wednesday, the 20th of August. Cats out of the bag. Mpumi's life is topsy-turvy, but there's light at the end of the tunnel. Felicia holds the knife by its sharp end. A father is shunned by his son. Thursday, the 21st of August. Whose voice is it anyway? A betrayal threatens to break a sister's bond forever. A mother celebrates her daughter's comeback, but will her joy last? Friday, the 22nd of August. Rhythm and rivalry. A deadly sister rivalry intensifies and things take a turn for the worst. Bongo takes a chance on love again, and Ishmael shifts into a higher gear. Monday, the 25th of August. Severed family ties. The Sidibeng women remain at loggerheads. Maruna leaves her heart on the stage, but it opens Pandora's box. Curiosity eats Felicia alive as she probes about Bongo's date. Tuesday, the 26th of August. You've been served. A disgraced former star woos pile up when her former record label strikes her with a legal blow. A ruthless exco tactic drive a wedge between two warring sisters. A young, inexperienced artist has big shoes to fill. Wednesday, the 27th of August. Accused. Maruna is going after everything that belongs to her. Mpumi learns the tricks of the trade. Gabriel continues to be a thorn in Felicia's life. Thursday, the 28th of August. Stars are born. Legends are made. Gabriel makes sure that one sister's success hurts the other. Ishmael doubts himself even more. Wendy is proud of the one whom brings the bacon home. Friday, the 29th of August. Pay back the money. Triumph turns to turmoil as Maruna's victory at Genesis unravels with a devastating twist. Meanwhile, Mpumi's long-awaited break sees the light of day. Amid the chaos, Ishmael faces his darkest demons. But Fisto steps in with an unyielding vow to help him reclaim his strength. Premiere episodes of Genesis air on Mzansi Magic from Monday to Friday at 19:30. Guys, I love Ishmael, ne? And I personally cannot watch him going through a lot because I wanted him to be an excellent storyline and nothing hurts him. So because he's going through the most, I was unable to watch. But let's get back to watching and review it on TikTok. This is your girl, Disebo D. Thank you for watching. I love you. Peace. Bye.